everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorial. In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable speed camera alerts in Google Maps so you can avoid fines, stay aware of traffic in real time, and drive smarter. Most people don't even know this feature exists, but once you turn it on, it can make a big difference. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Google Maps and enter your destination. Then tap on Directions to create your route. At this point, you probably won't see any speed cameras yet, but don't worry, we are going to enable them right now. Tap on the layers icon on the map. Make sure your map is set to Default, and then under Map Details, turn on the Traffic option. Once you enable this, you will start seeing real-time traffic information, including road conditions and speed cameras along your route. Now tap on Start to begin navigation. As you follow your route, speed cameras will start appearing on the map. Fixed speed cameras usually show in orange, while mobile ones appear in blue. You can tap on any report on the map to get more info and find a better route. Now let's make sure you also get voice alerts while driving, which is very important. Go back and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then scroll down and go to Settings. Tap on Navigation Settings. Here, make sure sound is enabled so you can hear alerts while driving. You can choose Alerts Only or Full Voice Guidance. We recommend keeping it unmuted. Also, turn on Play Voice over Bluetooth so alerts come through your car speakers. Make sure Play Audio Alerts is enabled as well. Finally, scroll down and enable the option to receive alerts about traffic incidents and road conditions. And that's it. Now you know how to enable speed camera alerts in Google Maps.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!